Hello, Python enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting coding challenge. Today, we're going to tackle a classic problem that combines mathematics and programming, the staircase climbing problem. This exercise will help you practice recursion, combinatorics, and algorithm design. Let's get started. Your task is to write a Python function that calculates the number of ways a child can climb a staircase. Here's what our program needs to do. 1. Prompt the user to enter the number of steps in the staircase. 2. Calculate and return A. The total number of possible ways to climb the stairs. B. A breakdown of all possible combinations to climb the stairs. Let's break this down with an example. Imagine we have a staircase with 3 steps. A child can climb it in 4 different ways. 1. Take 1 step at a time. 1, 1. 2. Take 1 step, then 2 steps. 1, 2, 3. Take 2 steps, then 1 step. 2, 1, 4. Take all 3 steps at once. Our program should calculate that there are 4 total ways to climb and list out these combinations. To solve this, we'll use a recursive approach. 1. We'll define a function that takes the number of steps as input. 2. For each step, the child has the choice to take 1, 2, or 3 steps. 3. We'll recursively calculate the number of ways for the remaining steps. 4. We'll use memorization to optimize our solution and avoid redundant calculations. Now, let's discuss what we expect our program to output. 1. The program will prompt, enter the number of steps in the staircase. 2. Let's say the user inputs 3, 3. The program will then output, total number of ways to climb 3 steps. 4 possible combinations. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Now try to solve the problem on your own. Now, let's break down the source code for this exercise. 1. We define 2 main functions, find steps and count ways. 2. The find steps function is recursive and works as follows. If n, number of steps, is 0, we've reached the top, so we return an empty list. If n is negative, it's an invalid state, so we return an empty list. For each possible step, 1, 2, or 3, we recursively call find steps with the remaining steps. We build up the list of ways by appending each step to the results of the recursive calls. 3. The count ways function simply returns the length of the list produced by find steps. 4. In the main part of the script, we define the possible steps as 1, 3. We get the number of steps from the user input. We call find steps to get all possible ways to climb. We print the total number of ways using count ways. Finally, we print each possible way to climb the stairs. Remember, you can find this project at practity.com along with many other Python projects.